I never crossed your way. I'd never know these tears today if I never let you touch my heart. Maybe it would've never fallen apart. I knew your love belonged somewhere else. Still I couldn't save myself. You were standing there beside my friend. Never thought that's when my story would begin. One dinner, one smile, one gentle voice. Somehow my heart forgot its choice. With every laugh and every glass of wine, your lonely soul kept calling mine. If loving you was my greatest sin, I'd do it all again. For every night inside your arms was worth a lifetime of scars. Now every goodbye steals my breath, leaving silence, leaving death. The rain keeps falling from the sky. These tears were always mine. At first I told myself a little love is enough. Just one moment, just one kiss, just one memory to exist. But love is never satisfied. It only grows too deep inside. Every hour you weren't with me became another tragedy. I should've walked away that night before my heart forgot what to hide. For wanting less became impossible when loving you felt beautiful. If loving you was my greatest sin, I'd do it all again. Every heartbeat called your name, though I knew nothing could remain. Your golden grace became my home. Now I'm learning how to be alone. The rain keeps washing down my face, but it can't erase your trace. I walked through the pouring rain, searching for a love I couldn't claim. There you were, across the window, laughing, holding her hand, saving the life that I dreamed we'd have. I stood outside, invisible, while my whole world shattered. No one heard my heart break except the rain. I don't have the strength to say goodbye, so I love you in silence for the rest of my life. If heaven asked me what love means, I whisper your name and I dream of stories were never meant to stay. Some hearts are only borrowed anyway. The rain kept falling, you watched me cry. I never cared, because the only thing I lost was you. If I never met you, I'd still be smiling. But I never know how beautiful a broken heart could love before letting go.